Yesterday, a guy asked me to automate his TikTok outreach, or at least do a service for him of that. Instead of that, I'll make a free video showing how all of you can automate TikTok outreach, cold DMs on TikTok, literally for free. The tools you'll need is Minnie Mouse Macro or any other macro alternative for Mac, whatever you're using, and a platform called Instant Data Scraper. You can go without it, but it will make your job a lot easier. Both of them are free. Instant Data Scraper is just a Chrome extension, and you start by scraping people you want to reach out to. So first, what you can do, and what you should do, is just load up all the comments, right? So we have how many? 450. It will load it up. You can load it up right away, or use Instant Data Scraper to load it up. As you can see, it right away finds the data that we want to scrape. If it doesn't, you click try another table till it finds the table you want to scrape, right? We can add infinite scroll if you want to scrape the more leads. What it will do is it will scroll for you. So what you do is start crawling. Well, I didn't find it, so instead what we can do is refresh this. I'm doing from the ground up. Let's see if that fixes it. Click here, start crawling, and it is now crawling. It got 18, 37, whatever it is, right? 51. And you would do that in searches wherever you want to do that. Maybe followers. Does it allow? No, I need to log in. But basically, you would scrape the people you want to reach out to. You get their data. So you click copy, you go here, you go open up a Google Sheet, you paste this information. I'll delete all of this information because I do not need it. And here we go, we have all of the leads, right? So what you can do then is just add a message right here, whatever it is. Hey, if you're personalizing, then you need to write a personalized message here. So what you could do is just take this, data cleanup, split text to columns, I cannot see it, custom at, right? And what we got is this. So what you could do is say, hey, and this, and you'll see, hey, right? We have this, whatever it is, right? But basically you have your message right here. Hey, boss, nope. Hey, how you doing, right? Hey, how are you? What's up? Whatever it is. And what you would do then is film a macro. So first, let's just check it if the account is good. Not all of the accounts will have message feature. Some of them are private. Okay, so this one has it. So what I will do is I'll start recording this. I click Alt F1, I copy, I go here, I click here, I paste the link, I go back, I use arrow keys to copy the message, arrow keys to go to the next. I go back here, it loads up, I click here, it won't allow me because I don't have the account, I forgot to log in, right? And then you would post a message, send it, and go back here. I stopped the recording, here you go, it recorded the automation. What I will do now is I'll click to play it, F3, and see it will do everything for me without me needing to do it. See, it pasted the link. It will now go copy the message that I wrote. It will go to the second one to be ready for the next automation. See, this one account doesn't have it, so it will not do anything. And it will go on like that for all of your list for how many times you say. You say like 60 DMs, right? Or you can just leave it empty for loop. And basically we'll be sending out messages like that. Super simple, super easy. It works on Instagram, Twitter, whatever you're doing, right? So simple as that. And now if you want to scrape anything else, you just scrape search, whatever you want, add custom messages. As you can see, it will click on the message. Here we go. And you would paste the message here because it will open up the chat. And that's all you need to automate the TikTok outreach. Now, if you want to find more tools to level up your content game and everything with that, I suggest you go to Ticomate/resources, because here you can find free and paid tools and resources for everything you literally need. Google animated emojis, get this tool, right? You get animated emojis you can use for editing. More tools, 180, and we add them not every day, but very often. So check this out and have a good one, and peace.